In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop on Temu using the United Kingdom or Australia region settings. To get started, open Chrome and go to temu.com. Once the home page loads, take a moment to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. This is where you'll usually find important site settings and controls that affect how the store works for your location. At the bottom footer, look for the region icon. This option lets you change the country or market version of the website so you can browse with the correct local settings. Click the region icon and then choose either United Kingdom or Australia depending on where you want your order shipped. This is an important step because it helps make sure you see the right regional experience, including product availability, shipping options, and checkout details that match your location. After selecting your region, you can start shopping. Use the search bar to look for the products you want. You can type in a specific item name or browse until you find something that fits what you're looking for. When you find a product you want to buy, open the product page and review the details carefully. This is a good time to check things like size, color, quantity, and any other available options before adding it to your order. Once everything looks right, click Add to Cart. Repeat the same process for any other items you'd like to purchase. As you shop, it's helpful to double check your selections so your cart includes exactly what you want before moving on. When you're ready, open your cart and click Proceed to Checkout. This will take you to the next stage of the purchase process. At checkout, enter your local shipping address for the UK or Australia depending on the region you selected earlier. Make sure your address is entered accurately so there are no delivery issues later. Even small mistakes in the address can delay an order, so it's worth reviewing everything carefully before continuing. That's the full process. Visit temu.com in Chrome, change the region in the footer to either the United Kingdom or Australia, search for your products, add them to your cart, and then proceed to checkout with your local shipping address. If you follow those steps carefully, you'll have a smoother and more accurate shopping experience on the site.